Very good, chickens. Easy. Very good. No, pinta. Very good. Easy. Olha o Vitor Caduda.
Deixa ela. Pega.
Very good. Very good. Very a madura?
Tá, parte.
Very good. How is it for you? Very good.
Pega outra.
How what did he eat? It's chickens. Chickens. Is it for you? It's for you is day. What do you have for? It's chickens. It's for you? Basket. Hi you. It's for you day. Não, pintou. É para as galinhas. Very good, is safe. No, dog. It's you. Hey, guys, for you. This video for you, guys. Chickens. Here is that for you. Is they, guys? Chickens. 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 Good, very good. How is it for you? Very good. How is it? Very good. Every day. Every day. How is it for you, is it? Oh, how do for you? It's a chicken. Chicken. How is it chicken? Chicken. Chicken. For you. For you. Chicken. Do not. Ela vai picar. Ela não vai picar. Isso é for you, is safe. This is for you. How you is safe? Have for you. Have it for you. Have it for you. Have it for you. Is it for you? Is it for you? Is it for you? Is it for you? How is chickens? How are you? Very good. How is for they got chickens? Chickens. How is it for you? How is it for you? Is they chickens? Chicken. Chicken. Is it for the boom? Is it for chickens?